Introducing the newest member of the Household Yoga Club, your dogs. When Doggo knows the worst drive Ob will take him to the park. Should I walk? Invisibility cloak activated. What a flawless execution. Down. Oh, they fell by themselves. Let's have... Uh-oh. This is me running away from adult responsibilities. Ow, Miss... When you're feeling feisty, try pillow therapy. It works. A puzzling mystery. A ball has gone missing, and the detective's trail is run cold. Who stole my ball? Doggo. They don't call me Sleeping Beauty for nothing. Look at this form. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mr. Come on, Shane. Oh my god. Come on, Shane. Come on. There are always two kinds of dogs. The Zoomy and the Be There, Sniff That. What is going on? When you spot your arch nemesis on the street and decide it's better to moonwalk away. This cat's got a death wish. Oh my gosh. Delayed gratification test. Result inconclusive. One dog aced it, the other needs a tutor. Your brother left those leftovers there. He said no. He told me to save them because he said he's gonna eat them when he comes back home. Stella! Stella! What do you have? What's in your mouth? Are you pretending that you don't have anything? Harley? Don't let this cutie fool you. He is a shoemaster thief. Chihuahua. Fear me. I am a ferocious lion. Just kidding. I'm all about sparkling eyes and tiny teeth. Well, you ready to go for a walk? We'll go for a walk? You ready? Go for a walk? Let me go for a walk. My dog, after hearing me talk about my dream garden. What can possibly make him wiggle this much? Must be 10 squirrels. Dog, I made you a snow angel. Now you make one for me. This monster thinks he can mess with my winter wonderland. Freeze right there. Yep. When your dog chooses to do the silliest thing ever, laughter is guaranteed.